So in our introduction to area polygons, you might find yourself asking yourself, what is a polygon? So today, I'm going to be answering that question. So a polygon in its simplest form is merely a multi-sided or multi-angle figure. Poly meaning many, gon meaning angle. A lot of times you hear me say that it's 7-sided figure or 7-angled figure. So poly just means multiple sides or multiple angles. Specifically angles being gon meaning angles. All right. So what a polygon is, it has straight lines, and it is what is called closed, meaning every single point has exactly 2 different line segments. So each line segment is touching another line segment on each end. An open one has this empty space. A polygon does not have empty space. For a polygon, this needs to be filled. Otherwise, it's not truly a polygon, because a polygon needs to have a completely closed figure. It can't be open. So it has to be just like a room. It has to have 4 walls completely closed in. You can't have any space for someone to walk out. So if the door was open, that wouldn't be a polygon. That would just be a shape. But if the door was closed, sealing off the room or closing the door causes a straight line that doesn't end like an open door does. So remember, it has to be closed. It can't be open. Now, a polygon also has to have straight lines, meaning it can't curve. You can't have a curve on a polygon, which is one of the reasons why a circle would not be considered a polygon. Since a circle has no straight lines, it is just one continuous curve. All right, so a polygon has to have straight lines, meaning you have to be able to take a ruler to create a polygon. Like if you have to use a compass or just freehand it to make a curved line, that wouldn't be a polygon because it has to have those straight lines. All right, so again, a polygon just is a multi-sided figure that is closed and is straight. So it has straight sides. It doesn't have any curves in it. All right, so we have 2 different types of polygons. Regular, which is a lot of what we'll be talking about, and irregular. Regular just means it has all equal sides and all equal angles. So for a 4-sided polygon or a quadrilateral, the only regular quadrilateral would be a square, because a square has all equal sides and all equal angles. A rhombus, while it has all equal sides, it does not have all equal angles. And a rectangle, while it has all equal angles, doesn't have all equal sides. So rhombus and rectangle would be classified as irregular, except when they are a square. A square is the only one that is regular. Alright, so while others could be considered regular, like a parallelogram or a square or a rectangle or a rhombus, those would be classified as irregular in a general sense. So not all rectangles and not all rhombuses are regular, because not all of them are squares. So a square is the only one that is always regular. Alright, so remember, when you're dealing with regular, that's only going to be the square, not a general rhombus or a general rectangle, because those are irregular. Same is true for kites and trapezoids. Those are all irregular quadrilaterals. So concave and convex is merely talking about what happens with the sides of a polygon. So concave means it caves in on itself. Now for a cave you go inside, so a concave goes inside itself. So you have a straight line, and a concave kind of goes up and in. This causes it to have an angle that is greater than 180. I guess that would be the other way. That's less than 180. So the angle is always going to be greater than 180 for a concave. If any polygon has an angle that's greater than 180, you're dealing with a concave polygon, which means that since not all of the angles are going to be the same, concave is only for irregular polygons. Regular polygons are always going to be convex. So convex just means it has no angles pointing outwards. Specifically, it has no internal angles more than 180. So concave and convex is just talking about where it points, whether it's in for concave or out for convex.